I am Liz.
I'm Chris.
And we are Carnival Cruise Addicts. Today we're going to talk about prohibited items.
Don't do it!
Don't bring these items on board a cruise ship.
Some are pretty Captain Frickin' Obvious. Some are...
What?
Who the hell put these on the list? And why?
So we're going to start with kind of some of the weirder ones we thought. The first one is fish.
Don't bring fish.
I can't bring my emotional support fish?
No. Your emotional support goldfish stays here.
No, it's a beta fish. Anyway.
Stays anyway. No fish. You can't bring fish. So.
That being said, I think they're referring to, like, if you catch fish, like, offshore on an excursion, you need to ship it home. You can't bring it on the boat.
Yep.
And the second one is dive tanks.
So there's a lot of divers because they go to some beautiful dive ports, and they like their own equipment. Can't bring it on board. You have to use what you get on the excursion.
Yeah, no dive tanks, no gas tanks, no propane tanks. Those kind of standard things.
If it explodes, don't do it. Eh?
What about
Vinny? Yeah. That leads us to the next one. No explosives, eh?
No explosives. Wait, what?
Yeah, even stuff you would think that's not explosives, like
fireworks.
Oh, okay, those are explosives.
Like what?
Sparklers.
Oh, sparklers.
Cute little sparklers.
Yeah.
You know? Anything that can light the ship on fire, don't bring it.
Yeah. And then we have handcuffs. Now, I don't own, but some people might have those fuzzy ones.
She's lying. She's got thrown off 3 cruises for bringing her handcuffs.
You can bring them, so don't try.
Yeah, no handcuffs. You're cute and fuzzies, your little sex toys, stuff like that. No.
Certain sex toys are allowed.
Not handcuffs, though.
Not handcuffs. Inflatable kiddie pools.
Oh, another one, yeah.
We've actually seen a picture of somebody having that on their balcony.
Yep.
But they are not allowed.
Yep, don't do it. Don't do it.
Boats.
Yeah.
Canoes, kayaks. Now they make these
inflatable ones.
Yeah, that inflate. You can't bring them.
Yep.
And same with surfboards. I guess people tried to do that once. I don't know. Seems like a lot to carry on, right?
Yeah, it's a bit nuts, honestly. I mean, they're big.
Unusual, like irons, you can't. Steamers, like steamers, you think you could, but you can't. They do have an ironing board, though, available on the ship.
Yep, in the laundry room.
In the laundry room, yep.
I don't know if they have a steamer, though.
I don't think so. No, but Downy wrinkle release apparently works great.
We tried the bounce one.
Not good. Heating pads.
My old ass needs one of those things.
We use them all the time. You can't bring them. Anything with a heating element. That includes hot plates and, even like kitchen gadgets, right? Like some people want to bring their Keurig.
Right.
Or a toaster. Don't bring your toaster.
No toasters. They have Lido Deck for that and a whole bunch of other restaurants.
Humidifier. Some people use them for like health reasons. Can't bring them.
You might be able to get an exemption, but get with Carnival before that because some of them are medical. And back to the heating pads, if you do need something for like your back, like my back sucks, they make the Theragesic or those little
therma patches,
little
whatever,
sticky hot patches.
They're disposable. They heat for like 8-12 hours.
Yeah, you can
throw
use
them away. Yeah, bring those. So kind of some more obvious ones: weapons. So no guns. Don't bring swords. Don't bring pocket knives. Don't bring. You can bring a corkscrew, but you cannot bring knives. You can bring corkscrews.
Not a weapon.
But you have to do that, I think, in your checked luggage.
Not sure.
I don't know. We're going to put a link to all the prohibited items because we're not going to cover them all today.
The list is much longer.
But like some other things like pepper spray. I have a pepper spray on my keychain for safety. Can't have that.
Take it off. It will not pass through security, especially because you have your keys on you. It goes through there and they're like, bye-bye.
Yep. Candles or incense. But some people like to bring tea lights, right? So they have battery operated ones, or these kind. They're remote controlled. They're not going to work. Oh, there we go. You can't see it's lit, but
she'll zoom in.
You can put them in the bathroom to do a little night light.
And that's great because if you've been on a cruise before and you wake up in the middle of the night to go pee-pee and you turn on that light, it's like, Jesus, the sun just turned on. It's horrible. God, that pisses me off. Get it? Pisses off. Go to the bathroom. Anyway.
Hoverboards or wheelie shoes or Heely shoe, whatever they call them. Heely, the ones with the
dumbass shoes that kids cruise around on.
Can't have those. You can't have large scissors. You can't have knives of any kind. I think I said that. But this is a big one. No marijuana, no drugs, no CBD, even if it's legal for medical purposes or in your
Where
state.
you're from. If you
they have dogs now all over the ship. Do not bring your pot.
Yep. If you got a green card, it doesn't matter. They still don't allow it on the ships. With the dogs, like she said, we still smell it here and there because I think they pick it up in port because there's no dogs there. But don't bring it there because they will confiscate it. And I don't know what the legal ramifications are from there.
But they can kick you off the ship. Yeah. They can ban you for life.
Oh, they will.
So not a good idea. And the other last thing is like, do not bring anything in bottles like water, soda.
Nothing clear, basically.
Well, so you can bring cartons and cans.
Yep.
So if you drink protein shakes or if it comes in a carton kind of container or can, you can do 12 per person.
And you got to carry them on, I believe.
You do have to carry them on.
Definitely would not put them in your checked luggage because they get the crap beat out of them. And back to one of the things we've talked about previously, just get the Cheers package and all the energy drinks and all that kind of stuff are included in that. So.
Yeah, but sometimes they don't carry the brand of soda you want. Yeah. Like me, I like Coke. And Carnival is now Pepsi.
I am Mountain Dew, so I am happy with that.
Yeah, but they don't have Dr. Pepper. I don't get it. Anyway, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this. Read the full link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.